Hey guys, welcome back to Innovators 07. I am Shirin and today I am going to continue with Standard 7th SSC Board, lesson number 3 HCF and LCM. Last video I had finished practice set 10 and 11. Today I am going to do practice set 12, which is on textbook page number 19. Okay, here the first sum is 25 and 40. So because both the numbers are ending with 5 and 0, I am starting with 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 8s are 40. Okay. Now one is odd, one is even, no more common digits. So the highest common factor will be 5. Okay. Only 5 is common in both of them. Fine. If you want, you can write it like that also कि 25 का फैक्टर है 5 and 5, 40 का फैक्टर है 5 and 8, so only 5 is common. वैसे भी आप कर सकते हो. Okay. Second, 56 and 32, both are even numbers, so I'm starting with the even number 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are, 2 1s are, 2 6s are. Again ending even numbers, again with 2, 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 8s are. Again even numbers, so again with 2, 2 7s are, 2 4s are. So now one odd and even, so and nothing in common. Okay. So highest common factor will be 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Going on to the third sum, 40, 60 and 75. Okay, so again you can see the numbers are ending with 0 and 5. So we will start with the letter 5. 5s are 40, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Again nothing in common, only 5 is the factor, so HCF is 5. Next is 16 and 27. Okay, now one is even, one is odd, so no common factor. Go on to the next sum, 18, 32, 48. Yes, all are even numbers. So we are going to start with the table 2. 2 9s are, 2 1s are, 2 6s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are. Okay. Again, nothing in common, so we'll leave it here. Only the highest common factor is 2. Okay. Next sum is 105 and 54. Okay, one is odd, one is even. You can start with the number 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are, 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14. Okay, so highest common factor here is 7 only. Next sum, 42, 45, 48. Yes, for this you should know your tables very well. 42, 45 and 48. I'm starting with 3. 3 1s are, 3 4s are, 3 1s are, 3 5s are, 3 1s are, 3 6s are. Again nothing more in common, so HCF is 3. Next one, 57, 75, 102. So 57, 75, 102. Again even and odd का combination है, so I'm trying with 3. 3 1s are, 3 9s are, 3 2s are, 3 5s are, 3 3s are, 3 4s are. So here I have got one prime number, so no more common factors, so highest common factor will be 3. 56 and 57 is a again odd and even combination, so no common factor between the two. Okay, coming to the last sum, 777, 315 and 588. Okay, so we'll start with 777, 315 and 588. Again even and odd का combination है, so I'm starting with 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27, 3 6s are 18. Okay, now I'm trying with 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 7 2s are 14, and 7 8s are 56, right? 37 prime number hai, so highest common factor will be 3 into 7, that is 21. Going on to question number 2, find the highest common factor by division method. Okay, so here we have to do division method. Now in this method what we have to do is, जो small number है उसको हम बाहर लिखेंगे और जो बड़ा नंबर है उसको हम अंदर लिखेंगे. Okay, that is 525. Okay, if I try 275 2s are, so this is more, so I can't go, so I have to write 1 275, do the subtraction, and I get 250. Okay, so now this is going to be outer and the initial divisor is going to be my dividend. Now again 1s are 250 because 252s is 100, we all know that, so 25 is remaining, so ये बाहर रहेगा और the initial divisor will go inside, that is 250. So we know 25 tensa will be 250. Okay, so what are the common factors here now? How to find the highest common factor? So we have got the 0 answer in 25, so my highest common factor will be 25. So they have told us to find the simplest form also, right? So for finding the simplest form, what we will do is, the fraction was 275 upon 525, right? So 25 11s are 25 21s are 25 gets cancelled, 11 upon 21. So simplest form is 11 upon 21 and highest common divisor is 25. Okay, going on to the second sum, 76 upon 133. So as I told you, the division method, जो छोटा है उसको बाहर लिखना है and the बड़ा number will go inside. So 76 1s are 76, subtract करो, so 7 and 57. Now the divisor will go inside, that is 76, 57 1s are 57. Okay, and what will be the answer here? Yes, 9 and 1 19. Okay, now 57 will go inside, 19 के table में 57 goes 3 times, so the highest common factor is 19 because we got 0 in 19's table. Now how to find the simplest form? 76 upon 133, again 19 के table में दोनों जाते हैं, 19 4s are 19 7s are, both the way cancelled, 4 upon 7 is the simplest form. Going on to the third sum, it's 161 upon 69. So as I told you, big number will go inside and smaller number will be outside. 69 twos are. So it is 138. If I subtract it, I get 23. So 23 bahar rahega. 69 will go inside, and we know 23 3s is 69. Okay. So 0 आ गया है. So highest common factor will be 23. What about the simplest form? 161 upon 69. That is 23 के टेबल में दोनों जाएंगे. 23 7s are 23 3s are. 23 gets cancelled. 7 upon 3 will be the simplest form. So this ends practice set 12. Starting with practice set 13, the first sum says find LCM. Okay, इसके अंदर है 12 and 15. Yes, जैसे हमने लास्ट सम में किया था वैसे ही करना है. We know both go in 3 का टेबल. 3 4s are 3 5s are. अब LCM में क्या करना है हमको? सारे नंबर्स मल्टीप्लाई करने. 3 4 and 5. Okay, last numbers and the common divisors. So 3 4s is 12 and 12 5s is 60. So this is what we are going to do. Fine. We go on to the next sum, that is the second sum. 6 8 10. 6. So you are starting with the second sum. 6 8 10. All are multiples of 2. So 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are. इसके बाद कुछ नहीं कॉमन है. So सब मल्टीप्लाई करना है आपको. पहले कॉमन फैक्टर और फिर नीचे वाले सारे नंबर्स. Okay. So 2 3s are is 6. Then 4 and 5. 6 4s are 24 and 5. 24 5s are is 120. So common factor will be 120. Going on to the third sum, 18 and 32. So we start with 18 and 32. Again दोनों 2 के टेबल में जाएंगे. 2 9s are, 2 16s are. इसके आगे कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है. So again we will do 2 into 9 into 16. That is 2 9s is 18. 18 into 16 is 288. Going on to the next, 10 15 20. As I told you, the numbers ending with 0 5 and 10 goes in 5's table. So 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 5 4s are. इसके आगे कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. So 5 into 2 into 3 into 4. So 5 2s are is 10. 10 3s are is 30. And 3 4s are is 12. So answer is 120. Next we'll do the fourth sum, that is 10 15 20. So as I told you, the numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 2s are, 5 3s are and 5 4s are. फिर से दो नंबर्स है जो 2 के टेबल में जाते हैं. So we will take that 2. और अब हम निकालेंगे LCM, that is 5 2s are and then 3 and 2. Okay. So 5 2s are is 10. 10 3s are is 30. And 32s are 60. So LCM will be 60. Next we go on to 45 and 86. Now, they are co-prime numbers, and you know nothing is common in co-prime numbers, right? So no common factor. So आपको क्या करना है, डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई करना है दोनों को. सो दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आंसर आएगा 3870. नेक्स्ट गोइंग ऑन टू द सिक्स्थ सम, 15, 30, 90. सो 15, 30, 90. अगेन 5 और 0 में एंडिंग है, तो आई स्टार्ट विथ 5. 5 3 ज़ा, 5 6 ज़ा एंड 5 18 ज़ा. अब सारे 3 के टेबल में जाते हैं. 3 1 ज़ा, 3 2 ज़ा, 3 9 ज़ा. ओके, सिक्स 18, सॉरी, या. देन 2 का टेबल, 2 1 ज़ा, 2 1 ज़ा, 2 3 ज़ा. अब फाइन है. सो LCM विल बी 5 into 3 into 2 into 3. That is 15 2 ज़ा 30 and 33 ज़ा 90. Okay. Going on to the next. That is 105 and 195. Again, both are 5 ending numbers, so we will go with the table 5. 5 2 ज़ा 10, 5 1 ज़ा, 5 3 ज़ा 15, 5 9 ज़ा. ओके, 3 के टेबल में दोनों जाते हैं अभी. 3 7 ज़ा 21, 3 1 ज़ा, 3 3 ज़ा. ओके, so LCM will be 5 into 3 into 7 into 13. So 5 3 ज़ा is 15 and 15 3 ज़ा is 45 and 45 into 13 is 1365. So yeah, least common factor is 1365. Going on to the eighth sum, 12 15 45. So 12 15 and 45 all go in 3 का table. 3 4 ज़ा, 3 5 ज़ा and 3 15 ज़ा. Now they both go in 5 का table. 5 1 ज़ा, 5 3 ज़ा. So let us take the LCM. 3 into 5 into 4 into 3. That is 15 4 ज़ा 60 and 63 ज़ा 180. Yes, 63 and 81. Yes, दोनों 9 के टेबल में जाते हैं. Before that we'll try with 3. 3 2 ज़ा, 3 1 ज़ा, 3 2 ज़ा, 3 7 ज़ा, 3 7 ज़ा, 3 9 ज़ा. Okay, so 3 into 3 into 7 into 9. 3 3 ज़ा is 9. 9 7 ज़ा is 63. 63 9 ज़ा is 567. Okay, 18 36 27. Yes, all are divisible by 3. So 3 6 ज़ा, 3 1 ज़ा, 3 2 ज़ा, 3 9 ज़ा, again 3 3 2 ज़ा, 3 6 ज़ा, 3 3 ज़ा by 2 now. 2 1 ज़ा, 2 3 ज़ा, 3 तो नहीं जाएगा, so we'll leave it here. So 3 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, 3 3 ज़ा 9, 9 2 ज़ा 18. Then 18 into 3 54 and 54 into 3 108. Going on to question number 2. Okay, 10th sum 18 36 27. As I told you, all are divisible by 3. So we're going to start. 3 6 3 1 3 2 3 9 3 2 3 4 3 3 2 1 2 2 3 नहीं जाता तो we'll leave it as it is. Okay, so 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. 3 3 9, 9 2 18, 18 2 36. That's a 108. Okay, starting with question number 2. Here we have to find the number का HCF, we have to find LCM, and then we have to verify them. ठीक है? Fine. So पहला sum है 32 and 37. Now these two are co-prime numbers. So we know co-prime numbers का HCF होता है 1, क्योंकि कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं होता. What about LCM? LCM में हमको दोनों नंबर्स मल्टीप्लाई करने पड़ेंगे. So दोनों नंबर्स मल्टीप्लाई करके हमको आ रहा है LCM, और इसको हमने 1 and 2 मार्क कर दिया. Now let us verify. Now फॉर्मूला है HCF into LCM is equal to product of the numbers. So HCF है 1, LCM है 1184, which is equal to 1184, है ना. और अभी हमने यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट किया है, so hence proved. Going on to the second sum, 15 and 60. So let us find 15 and 60. Again दोनों 3 के टेबल में जाएंगे. 3 5 3 2 0. अब 5 में जाएंगे. 5 1 5 4 तो HCF होगा 3 into 5 into 1 लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. 4 3 5 15 15 4 60, right? So sorry, this will be my LCM. So LCM आया 60, इसको 1 मार्क किया. अब HCF सिर्फ बाहर के लेने हमको, that is 3 and 5. तो HCF आया 15. So ये 2. Now how to verify? For verification क्या है फॉर्मूला? HCF into LCM into product of numbers, right? Fine. तो HCF है हमारा 15, LCM है 60, एंड प्रोडक्ट नंबर्स भी अपने 15 और 16 ही है, तो दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके सेम ही आंसर आएगा, राइट? सो कितना आता है? लेट्स सी. 15 into 60 is 900. So hence proved. Going on to the third sum. Oh, I did the second sum. Okay, I'll do the second sum now. 46 and 51. These are also co-prime numbers, nothing in common in them. So my HCF will be 1 and LCM will be 46 into 51, which is 2 3 4 6. तो इसको मैंने 1 मार्क किया, इसको मैंने 2 मार्क किया, और अब वेरीफाई किए. वेरीफाई इज HCF into LCM is equal to product of numbers. Okay, so HCF है 1, LCM है 2 3 4 6, और 46 into 51 भी 2 3 4 6 है, hence proved. Now we'll go to the fourth sum, that is 18 and 63. 18 and 63, 3 के टेबल में दोनों जाते हैं. 3 6 3 2 3 1 again 3 3 2 3 7 So HCF will be 3 into 3 only, that is 9, and LCM will be 3 into 3 into नीचे वाले numbers भी 2 into 7. So that will be 9 into 2 into 7, that is 18 into 7, that is 126. So LCM is 126, HCF is 9. Now verify करो, HCF into LCM into product of numbers. तो HCF 9 है, LCM 126 है. So 9 into 126 is 1134. What about 18 into 63? 18 into 63 is also 1134. Hence proved. Going on to the fifth sum. Fifth sum says 78 and 104. Again दोनों even numbers है. So 2 की टेबल में जाएंगे. 2 3 ज़ा 6, 2 9 ज़ा 18, 2 5 ज़ा 10, 2 2 ज़ा. अब दोनों 13 की टेबल में जाएंगे. 13 3 ज़ा 39 and 13 4 ज़ा. So HCF will be सिर्फ these two, 2 into 13, that is 26, and LCM will be 2 into 13 into 3 into 4. So 26 into 3 into 4, 78 into 4, that is 312. Now verify करो, HCF into LCM is equal to product of numbers. HCF है 26, LCM is 312, 78 into 104. So 26 into 312 is 8112, and 78 into 104 is also 8112. Hence proved. So I hope you have understood this practice set also. Okay, starting with practice set 14. First question says choose the correct alternative, HCF of 20 and 150. Let us do the side work. 120 and 150 किसकी टेबल में जाएंगे? 5 के. 5 2 ज़ा 5 4 ज़ा 5 3 ज़ा 0. अब 3 में जाएंगे. 3 8 ज़ा 3 10 ज़ा. अब 2 में जाएंगे. 2 4 ज़ा 2 5 ज़ा. अब नहीं जाएगा कोई भी कॉमन. सो 5 into 3 into 2 will give me my HCF, right? So 5 3 ज़ा 15, 15 2 ज़ा 30. Do we have an option of 30? Yes. So my first option of 30 is right. Okay, the HCF of these pairs of the number is not 1. 13 17, yes, इसमें भी कुछ कॉमन नहीं है तो इसका कॉमन फैक्टर 1 है. इसमें भी कुछ कॉमन नहीं, इसका कॉमन फैक्टर 1 है. ये 2 के टेबल में जाएगा, 20 के टेबल में जाएगा, 4 के टेबल में भी जाएगा. सो मोर देन 1, और इसमें भी 1 है. सो माई आंसर विल बी 3 because only this has not a common factor 1. Next question says find HCF and LCM. Okay, so we will start 14 and 28. 2 के टेबल में जाएंगे. 2 7 ज़ा 2 14 ज़ा. अब 7 के टेबल में जाएंगे. 7 1 ज़ा 7 2 ज़ा. तो HCF will be 2 into 7, that is 14. LCM will be 2 into 7 into 2, ये भी है ना. So that is 14 into 2, that is 28. I hope it is understood. Second, 32 and 16. So 32 and 16 2 की टेबल में जाएगा. 2 1 ज़ा 2 6 ज़ा 2 8 ज़ा 2 8 ज़ा 2 4 ज़ा 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. So HCF will be 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. तो HCF है 16. What about LCM? 1 2 3 4 5 बार 2, तो 4 तक तो 16 होता है. 16 2s is 32. Okay. Next, third sum, 17, 102 and 170. Fine. Okay, अब ये सारे 17 के टेबल में जाते हैं. Okay. So 17 1s are, 17 6s are, 17 10s are. Then 2s are and 5s are. नहीं, sorry, 3s are and 5s. अभी देखो तीनों में एक ही नंबर फैक्टर कॉमन था, तो HCF विल बी 17. ना LCM के लिए हम सब लेंगे 17 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 5. तो 17 2s is 34. 34 इंटू 3 is 102. 102 into 5 is 510. So HCF will be 17, LCM will be 510. Okay, fifth sum. Fifth sum is 21, 49, 84. सब 7 के टेबल में जाएंगे. 7 3s are, 7 7s are, and 7 12s are. अब कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है, सिर्फ 3 और 12 तीनों में कॉमन होना चाहिए ना, इसलिए माई HCF विल बी 7, जो तीनों में कॉमन था. फर्दर कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो 3 1s are, 7 remains as it is, and 3 4s are. So my LCM will be 7 into 3, ये दोनों numbers, and then 7 into 4. That is 21 into 7 into 4. That is 147 into 4. That is 588. So LCM will be 588 and HCF will be 7. Going on to the next question, you have to find LCM. Only LCM find करना है अभी. Okay. So 36 and 42. So let's start. 36 and 42 दोनों 2 के टेबल में जाएंगे. 2 1s are, 2 8s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. अब दोनों 3 में जाएंगे. 3 6s are, 3 7s are. Okay, now I think we have to leave it here only. 2 3s are, 2 7s are. Okay, so LCM will be 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 7, 6 6 6 are 36 into 7 will be giving me 252. Going on to the second sum, 15 25 30. Again 5 ending है, तो 5 के टेबल में we will try. 5 3s are, 5 5s are, 5 6s are. Okay, and then 3 1s are, 3 2s are. 5 ऐसे ही रहेगा because 5 3 के टेबल में नहीं जाता है. So 5 into 3 into 5 into 2, that is 15 into 10, that is 150. Third sum says 18 42 48. Starting with 2 9s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are. सब 3 के टेबल में जाते हैं. 3 3s are, 3 7s are, 3 8s are. So and nothing more common, so LCM will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 8. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 7s are 126, and 126 into 8 is 1008. Going on to the fourth sum, 4 12 20. Okay, So 4, 12, 20, I think all are divisible by 2. 2 2s are, 2 6s are, 2 10s are, again by 2. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 5s are. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 12, 12 5s are 60. Next, 24, 40, 80, 120. 4 numbers. 24, 40, 80, 120. All are divisible by 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 2s are 0, 2 4s are 0, 2 6s are 0. 2 6s are, 2 10s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are. 2 3s are, 2 5s are, 2 10s are, 2 15s are. Okay, I take 5. 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 3s are. Then I take 3. Okay, that ends up now. So LCM will be 1 2 3, then 5 into 3 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 120, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 600. I'm sorry, the last number was 2, so 120 into 2 will be 240. Okay, so this finishes question number 3. Okay, question number 4 says find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20 leaves 5 as the remainder. So let's start with 2. 2 4s are, 9 तो नहीं जाएगा. 2 5s are, 15 भी नहीं जाएगा. 2 10s are. Again by 2. 2 2s are, ये सारे numbers वैसे ही है. 2 5s are. Then again I am doing by 2. Now let's go to the next bracket, that is 3. 3 3s are, 3 5s are. Okay, 3 again, यहाँ पे 1 आ जाएगा. And now I'll take 5, तब सब 1 हो जाएगा, right? So 1 2 3 बार 2, 1 2 3, then 2 बार 3 and then 5. So 2 2s are is 4, 8, 8 3s are 24, 72 and 136. Yes, so smallest number that is divisible by 5 required number is 360, because we know if we add 5 into it you will get 365. Okay, so the remainder is 5. Next 5 में 3 sums है. Okay, you have to do it to the lowest factor and I am taking the division method. इसमें छोटा नंबर बाहर लिखना है, बड़ा नंबर अंदर लिखना है. 1s are 3 1 9, 9 2, 29 is remaining. 3 1 9. Okay, now I multiplied by 11. So I get 319. So my LCM, that is no HCF, sorry, will be 29, because I got 29. Now what about the common factors, like simple form? 348 अपॉन 319, 29 आई नो, तो 29 के टेबल में जाएगा. 29 12 ज़ा, 29 11 ज़ा, 29 will get cancelled. 11 upon 12 be the lowest form. Second is 221 and 247. So छोटा नंबर बाहर, बड़ा नंबर अंदर. 1 ज़ा 2 2 1, 6 2 26 आया. फिर डिवाइज़र को अंदर लिखना है. ओके 26 8 ज़ा, लेट अस ट्राई. 6 8 ज़ा 48, 16 20. ओके 208. तो कितना बचा भाई? 3 1 13. अरे now I know 13 2 is 26. So my HCF will be 13 because last इसी में मुझे 0 आया है. Then talking about the simplest form, that is 221 and 247. Now I know both are divisible by 13. So 13 17 ज़ा, 13 19 ज़ा, 13 13 gets cancelled. The simplest form will be 17 upon 19. Next fraction is 337 551. Okay, small number बाहर, big number अंदर. 1 ज़ा 437. तो कितना आएगा? 411. Again 437. Let me try 3 ज़ा. 3 4 ज़ा 12, 3 1 ज़ा 3 4, 3 1 ज़ा 3. Let me try 4 ज़ा 4 4 ज़ा 16, 4 1 ज़ा 4 1 5 4 नहीं, ये बढ़ा जाएगा. Let's try with 3 342. 7 में से 2 गया 5, 13 में से 4 गया 9. I got 95. And then 114. 95 1 ज़ा 95. Okay, so 14 में से 5 गया 9, 19. अच्छा, now I know 19 5 ज़ा is 95. So my HCF will be 19. अब 19 मिल गया है तो दोनों 19 के टेबल में जाएंगे. 19 23 ज़ा, 19 29 ज़ा, 19 19 gets cancelled. 23 upon 29 is the simplest form. Okay, the sixth sum says the LCM and HCF. LCM है 432, HCF है 72. One number is 216. Find the other number. Oh, so let the other number be X. Fine. We know LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers, right? So LCM कितना दिया है? 432, HCF 72. एक नंबर है 216, दूसरा नंबर है X हमने लिया है, हमको फाइंड करना है दूसरा नंबर. So X will be 432 into 72 upon 216. देखो क्रॉस करके यही आया ना? Yes. So let's do the cancellations now. 2 के टेबल में जाएगा. 2 3 ज़ा, 2 6 ज़ा, 2 1 ज़ा, 2 8 ज़ा. Again 2 2 1 ज़ा, 2 8 ज़ा, 2 5 ज़ा, 2 4 ज़ा. I know 18 1 ज़ा, 18 3 ज़ा, 3 1 ज़ा, 3 1 ज़ा 3, 3 4 ज़ा 12, 3 4 ज़ा 12. So X is 144. So the other number is 144. I hope you understood this sum. Next sum, 7th. This is similar to the 6th sum. The product of the 2-digit number is 765. Okay, अभी डायरेक्ट प्रोडक्ट दिया है, ठीक है. So दो नंबर्स, product of two numbers is 765. HCF is 3. What is LCM? Okay, we know LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers, right? So LCM into HCF दिया है 3 is equal to 765, right? So LCM will be 765 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. So LCM is 255. This was easy. Going on to the 8th sum, the trader has 3 bundles of string of 392 meters, 308 meters and 490 meters. Okay. The string of the 3 bundles are cut into pieces of equal length so that no string is left over. What is the greatest possible length of each string? Greatest मतलब HCF आपको ढूंढना है. 392, 308, 490. All are multiplied by 2. 2 1s are, 2 9s are, 2 6s are, 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are. Okay. 3 से जाएगा क्या? नहीं, नंबर नहीं जाएगा. So let's try 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 8s are 56. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 21. 7 5s are 35. अच्छा, अब कोई भी में नहीं जाएगा. So highest common factor will be these two numbers. That is 2 into 7. That is 14. So the highest length, okay, or the greatest length, right? Greatest length of the string will be 14 meter. Okay, 9th sum, the last sum. Which of the two consecutive even numbers have the LCM 180? Okay, तो even natural numbers है, even natural numbers, तो I have to multiply it by 2, so that will give me 360. So 360 के दो ऐसे हमको पार्ट्स लेने हैं जिसका डिफरेंस कितना हो, या 2 2 1s are, 2 8s are 0, 2 9s are, 2 45s are, 3 15s are, 3 5s are and 5 1s are. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, okay, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. We'll try this. 4 4 5s are 20. Yes, 18 and 20 दोनों के बीच में 2 का डिफरेंस है. So these are the two natural numbers which have 360 as 180 as their LCM. Okay, now we are finished with this lesson. I hope you have understood this lesson. It was little bit difficult. I had tried to make it easy. Do comment in the comment box what you want to learn next. Subscribe my channel and have a good day. Thank you.